Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel Byte Benders. So in this video we are going to solve this question. What's the question? So the question is find smallest factorial number. Means what we have to do here. So okay, let's go by the question definition. So what's question definition states that question says here given a number n. The task is to find the smallest number whose factorial contain at least n trailing zeros. It means we have to find, we have here given a number n with some value. If we are taking the value from the first example, so we have to find, let's say value x, which factorial contain some value. Let's say in the factorial we can also get a 0 also. So find the number whose factorial contain n zeros. So that's we have to return. What we have to return? We have to return here x. And what's the x? X is the number whose factorial contain n zeros. Okay, so if you don't understand it, let's try with example. With we have here the two test cases are given. What's the first test case? So here first n is 1 and we can get output as 5. Now you might thinking that why the 5? Okay, so what's the 4 factorial? First go with 4. Let's start from 1. 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 4, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, I think here 2, yeah sorry, 5 factorial 120, okay, 6 factorial 720, like that we can go. So here answer 5, 6 and till the last value which ends with 0, means whose factorial ends with 0. But why we are returning here a 5 only? Because they mentioned at least n trailing 0 and the smallest number we have to return smallest number. So from I think say 47 1440, I guess you might check at your end. So from 5 6 7, which is the smallest value? The smallest value is 5. So what we are returning? We are returning 5 here. Okay, now the same we have another example, and this example for n equal to 6, and what's the output we can get here? 25. What 6 represent here? 6 means the number whose factorial contains 60. So if you were finding a factorial of 25, you will get 6 trailing 0 in 25. No, the value of factorial of 25. That's how we are doing here. Okay, now first thing is that how we can know that the number contain this many trailing 0. So that's the aptitude part that you can watch for of some another YouTuber's video, or if I am telling you in the brief, then to check the number contain how many zeros, the easy way is to divide it with 5. Means for the 25 finding how many zeros, first divide 25 by 5, we got 5, again divide 5 by 5, we got a 1, then add these two value, so we get 5 plus 1 equal to 60. That's how you can do for any number. Here yeah we know that for 25 factorial. If you want to do for the 5 factorial, then again 5 divided by 5, that's 1. That's one big another topic in number system that you want to check. Then check any YouTuber series number system in which you can find how to find the trailing zeros. But this is just a common method that I am telling you. So what we are going to see. So for our question, let's read what is the given. So given is integer n. So for n is belongs to integer, it means for all integers range we have to check, and for all value we have to find the number of trailing zero, and we are checking if it's n, then we will get the answer. But that method is very big method. It means you have to go for all the values of integer and find for all the values number of trailing zero. After getting that, you will got to know that whether the n equal to the number of means the value of n is same as the trailing zero. If yes, then only you'll able to find the answer. But here we have given that we have to solve in log n time complexity. So how we can solve this? So I'll directly explain you the solution. So this is the solution. We are here using binary search. So because we know that if n belongs to integer, so from negative to positive, this order is sorted. So if it's sorted, we can use binary search, that we already know. It means here for solving we are using binary search. So what we are doing, we are setting low to 5 because we know that the first 0 came at 5 factorial. So we are setting the low to the minimum value and high to the maximum value. Okay, then till low less than high. What we are doing, first finding the mid, check the number of 0 for mid. If it's satisfied for mid, then it will be our answer, or else we have to go to the high part, means we are reducing high to the mid minus 1. If else we are increasing low to mid plus 1. That's how by keep doing we will get our answer at last. Okay, so this is the code, and this is the code for count 0. As I told you, in the number system you will find how to find a count. So with the help of this loop, this is the same thing like divide and replace, divide and replace. So this is the solution. If you like this video, then do like it.